Sandbaggy's 14 by 26 burlap bags are great for erosion control, storing onions and potatoes, growing plants, and football. Each bag is super strong, made from thick 9-ounce fibers, which is 20 to 30% thicker than the competition. They're so strong, they can hold more than 50 pounds without breaking. It's also a 100% natural product made from jute plants. 0 synthetic materials are used in the product. These will even last 1 to 2 months under direct sunlight. They'll break down and nourish the soil, so no cleanups required. They even got these little tie strings attached, super easy to install after you fill them up with sand, gravel, or soil. A lot of cowboys are using these for temporary erosion and flood situations to protect doors and garages, create sandbag walls, protect shorelines, and divert water. Other cowboys are using these for storing food items such as nuts, livestock feed, and potatoes, transplanting and growing plants, and also great for rustic-themed events and home decor. Trust Sandbaggy with your burlap needs. We carry a variety of options and have over 100,000 in stock at all times. That's why we're the #1 Sandbaggy company on the internet. People love us. Sandbaggy's an American Christian-run company based in California, trusted by farmers, landscapers, homeowners, and government agencies across this great country, America. Hey! Before you leave, don't forget to get one of these Sandbaggy sandbag fillers. They make installations 2 times easier and you don't even need a partner to help. What are you waiting for? Go! Come on!